come off. This is sure one dumb squirrel. It doesn't understand that it's making a mess. Someone should go up there and tell the squirrel to be nice. And then it might... You know what, Dad? Some squirrels love lollipop. If you give that squirrel a lollipop, he'll love us.
Yeah?
He might like us.